Hello again, welcome to From the Workshop. For this here nerd note, we've got a frequently asked question, an FAQ, if you will. This one is about, can I solder my Skywire modem directly down to my board? So we're going to answer that question. The answer is yes, you can. Thanks for joining us for this. No, there's more to it than that. So basically the idea here is what we usually show is that you use your Skywire modem, you put down the standard Skywire interface connectors, the headers on your board, and that way you can kind of interchange modems, you can swap them out in the future, you can use different technologies or different carriers, that kind of stuff. But there is another approach, and if you look in all of our data sheets, section 4.2 talks about the solder to board connectors approach, which essentially means instead of having the headers, you can basically just take the modem and shove it straight through the plated through holes and make this a through hole component on your board assembly. Obviously, a couple things you need to take into account. Make sure you leave room for a SIM card slot. Make sure your modem is not bottomed out on your PCB so that it's making physical contact. Don't make sure that the pins on the bottom side aren't touching the enclosure. Things like that. Pretty standard things, but absolutely you can do that. Does that affect the certification for the modem? No, it doesn't. As long as you don't mess with the modem itself, meaning you don't depopulate components, you don't change the modem, firmware or the hardware itself, you're fine. Whether you put it into a board-to-board connector or you actually solder it down, doesn't really matter in terms of the certification. So there you go. Just wanted to provide a quick answer to that question that we've been getting quite a bit recently. Yes, you can absolutely solder down your Skywire modem, so that way you don't have to worry about vibration and it jiggling loose, or you don't have to worry about how high it sits up on top of your board. You have flexibility in your options. Thank you very much. Hope this nerd note was helpful. Please send additional questions that we should answer on a future nerd note to workshop@nb-iot.com. Leave your comments below, like, subscribe so that you don't miss any future nerd notes, and until then, have fun building.